Hi friends, up to now in the previous videos we have seen the TypeScript compilation configuration, how we can configure the TypeScript compiler we have seen, right? Now we will go to the new concepts in the TypeScript that are nothing but classes. Okay, so as we have seen in the vanilla JavaScript ES6, so there is a classes concept, and also here also in TypeScript there are also classes concept is there. Classes concept is there in the TypeScript also. Same the structuring of the classes will be the same as per the ES6 how the ES6 will be writing in the TypeScript also will be writing. So let's see with a simple example. Now here I have this main.ts folder file. Okay, it's a new empty file, ts file, and here I have run the light server, so what we have discussed in the previous package.json, and here I am compiling in the watch mode ts compiler. Okay, now we will see. So class we can represent here in the TypeScript using class. Okay, class, and here we can write something like department. So this is the name of the class and name of the class. So here we will be having open and close curly braces, and here we can define the properties of the class. So for example, I have a name, and we can define the what we can say type of the variable, and another one what we can say is, for if you want you can have directly like this. Okay, or otherwise you can take the data from the constructor. So let's take the data from the constructor. So we will be having constructor, so which will be called every time when we create an object, this constructor will be initialized. Now it will be taking one argument as a n string. So this can be any variable, so you can keep it as name also. And in this constructor thing, so this variable and this name variable and this name variable is completely different. Okay, now I am storing that name, this dot name is equal to name here. Okay, I am saving the name here. Now what I can do is, so this is the simple constructor, simple class. So like this we will be creating a class in the TypeScript. Now I want to create an object for the TypeScript. So let department is equal to, I can call using new operator. So we can create an object for this class using new operator. So department of, I will be passing accounting or something like this. Okay, now we will let's console the object. So what could be the output? So I am consoling console.log department. Now let's compile. So here it is compiled without any problem. Now let's check the output. Here if I check the output, here I got it as department accounting, a new object has been created. Okay, if we refresh this one again I will be getting that department name is equal to accounting. So an object with name accounting has been created. So this is the way how we can create the classes in the TypeScript. So let's see how the code will this ts code is compiled into the js code. Let's see. So now when we go to the main.js file, if I see here once, if I see here, it is created as a function. You see this one, it is created as a function. Okay, function is nothing but what we have discussed in the JavaScript course, the vanilla JavaScript course. We have discussed about the constructor functions. So using the functions also we can create an object. So the class file department file has been converted into the, what we can say, into the department function, where with this function we can create a object using the new thing. So it has converted into the non-modern way of creating an object using the vanilla JavaScript. So this is purely vanilla JavaScript code. The two defined on the target thing. For example, if I change it to ES6, okay, if I compile this one, so here change is detected, and again it is compiling. Now it should be compiled into ES6. So ES6 supports the classes. Now if I see here, if you see here, the code has been converted into class department constructor, and here if you see there is no type and there is no, what we can say, property declaration. Actually in the ES7 the property declaration supports in the ES6 doesn't have the property declaration. So here you can directly constructor and you can create an object like this, but we need to support ES5. So we will be converting, we will be changing it to ES5, and if you here see the code, again it converted into the function. So function department is created, name this dot name, and department is returned. So now we are creating an object with this new constructor function. So this is how the class code in the TypeScript is compiled into the constructor function. So in this way we can compile the code. So this is how we declare the classes in the TypeScript. So if you have any doubts or any suggestions, please let me know in the below comments of this video, so that I will try to give the reply. And if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.